Hey there everybody, David back with another video. Today we're at Enchanted Rock and we're going to be climbing up this ginormous rock that's right behind me. As of coming out here, we've had wind gusts all the way up to 30-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Coming up, we're going to have the latest on what's going on. Again, we have a red flag warning in effect. Temperatures this afternoon are going to be in the mid-90s. And again, it's already a windy day. We've had wind gusts, again, all the way up to 45, and the winds are only going to get stronger. So again, I bet you the winds are going to get much stronger as soon as we climb up more of the rock here. But as of now, again, wind gusts all the way up, or excuse me, sustained winds already up to 32 miles per hour. Again, strong wind alert day today. We have red flag warnings in effect. And again, it's just going to get more intense here in just a little bit. So we'll come back with more coming up here in just a little bit. All right, so we are here at the Enchanted Rock here in Gillespie County, also part of Llano County, and we're going to be, I guess, walking up all the way to the top. The lady said that we'll have wind speeds or wind gusts upwards to 35 miles per hour here at the ground level, but it gets stronger the further up you go. So to test that, I brought my anemometer with me. We're going to be checking the wind speeds. As you saw with the introduction of the video, we already had wind gusts already. Well, I think it was already 30+ mile per hour wind gusts. It was either 20 or 30, I forgot. But one of those two, we have some very, very strong wind gusts. But here's another strong wind gust right now. But again, gets stronger and stronger the further up we go. We'll have, once we get a little bit more closer, we'll talk more about what things look like here coming soon. $25. All right, 41 mile per hour wind gusts. We'll see here just a second. Further you go up, the air regulation goes down. Oh my gosh. Again, we just had wind gusts upwards to 41 miles per hour just now. Here we go. 31. Winds are strong. For the next half of the video, I will not be talking how strong the winds are. 28 mile per hour wind gusts. So we'll talk more here in a moment, but first off, I'll show you guys these amazing views of the sky. We still have more to go. And this is where things get more concerning. 30 mile per hour wind gusts. Oh boy. 32. 39. We're almost there. I cannot breathe. The winds up here are brutal. We made it. We made it to the top. Hard to breathe up here. Hey, Tootsie. Here. Alright, we did it. We're on top of Enchanted Rock. We had the strongest wind gust I've recorded so far today was 47 miles per hour. Temperature right now at, oh, my anemometer is shut off, is 85 degrees on top of the mountain, or on top of this giant rock with limited air up here. Oh, gosh, it's so pretty. We got hats flying. We got hats. We got hats. Someone lost their hats. They probably had it for like years or something. It's gone. That's why they recommend not you to wear hats up here. Holy. So let's see how you like it up here. Dear Lord. What is he doing at the end of the cliff? Rest in peace to headphone users. I'm getting pushed. It's pushing me out to the side of the ramp. Mother Nature's trying to push me off the mountain. What are they doing? Oliver! Dad! $60 macro wind gusts! 60! It's got over 60 macro wind gusts! Oh my Lord! Take a picture! We own the hill, guys! Oh my God, another! Again! We went over 60 miles per week outside again, guys. Guys, it is windy and brutal up here. We had wind gusts twice above 50 miles per hour, aka higher than that. We were at the edge of the hill. If we got wind gusts up to 100 miles per hour, we would have flew off here. I'm hoping that does not happen, but here's what it looks like if 100 mile per hour wind gusts were to happen. We would be way down there. Okay. What is he doing? It's much windier on the side. They're experiencing the wind gusts a lot stronger than we are from over here. As they're strongest winds, guys, I've ever felt almost. This is awesome. Yeah, it's awesome. Oh my. Yeah. Man, wake us. 78 Papa, wake us. 78. 78. I just saw 78. Oh my God. Backyard. I don't know. Imagine someone's backyard was this guy. It's gonna be good. I know there's already a long time ago. Tootsie. I was gonna attack my dog. I know. Oh boy. Alright, there is a hat right down there. I'm gonna attempt to get it. Oh my gosh, the winds are this might be the dumbest idea. Look at everything. You're trying to get someone's hat. It's like at the edge of death over here. This is the edge of death. If we get a 100-mile-per-hour wind gust, I'm cooked. I saw a wind gust over 70 just a moment ago. The hat is way down there. This is super risky, chat. Goodness gracious, should I do this? I'm doing it. I did it. I got someone's hat. We just got someone's hat. I don't know whose it is, but I just saw a random hat. Woo! It broke! Does it still work? It's alright. Someone's hat is over here. Alright, so I collected someone's hat. And while doing that, so I got someone's hat. While doing that, my anemometer, it broke off of my little wristband, but I was able to catch it in time. So I need to figure out whose hat this is. We're going down the hill. We're going down the hill. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but we're going down the hill. Alright, so the wind has kind of come down. I've collected somebody's hats. I don't know whose hat this is, but hopefully I can give it to the right person. I don't know, some America hat. Pretty cool hat, but we'll have to find whose hat this is. So hopefully I can say it now without dying. I collected someone's hat. Don't know whose this is, but we're going down the hill. This is a steep walk down. I'm gonna slip and fall and die. We'll see what happens. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh. Oh, man. All right, so after that, I think we're okay with the wind now. I think the wind might be over. So anyways, we had wind gusts all the way up to 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts, the strongest wind gusts I've felt in a while. It's insane. Now we're just trying to go down these steep rocks. I think we definitely went the wrong way. But we're like halfway done with it, so yeah. Yeah, this way. Oh, God. All right, so up today's video here at Enchanted Rock. First time here, by the way. We collected someone's random hat. My anemometer fell 3 times. Surprisingly, it's not broken. And my dog is so hot, she's taking a swim right now. What is she doing? She's that hot, guys. So that's how things are going to wrap up here. So again, someone's hat we collected, wind gusts all the way up to 70 miles per hour. Anemometer fell 3 times. And that's just completely fun, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, that pretty much wraps things up. We'll have my final overview of everything here. Guys' perspective here in a few seconds. She's a soaked dog. It's absolutely wild to say I was right on that little rock right there. Wild to say that we were on that giant rock. Now we're climbing up this stairwell. All Alright, made it over to the car now. That video that we just did was probably about 17, 25, 30 minutes long. Anyways, again, today temperatures are in the upper 80s right now, but we were in the low 90s about an hour and a half ago. The strongest wind gust that I saw on my anemometer was over 70 mile per hour wind gust. They said wind gust would be 35 here at the ground level, but maybe even stronger the further you go, and that was the case. But that pretty much wraps things up. Thank you all everybody for 1,000 subscribers here on the YouTube channel. And of course, if you guys want to see more adventurous videos like this, please comment down below that you guys want to see more videos like this. But that's pretty much what I have for now. You guys take care, have a wonderful day, and like I said, smash a like if you guys enjoyed this, subscribe if you want, and then again, comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. Take care, guys.